Hello, this is Chelsea.
Hey Chelsea, I'm hoping you can help me. I'm looking for something pretty specific.
Sure, what are you looking for?
I need a beautiful home on the golf course in St. Johns County. It's got to have lots of living space and a ton of natural light.
You know what? I think I have the perfect place for you.
Hours turns into minutes. The worst is yet to come. Summer days slowly turn into darkness. I notice past that goals are reaching out night for me. Summer days slowly turn into darkness. It's hopeless. Past that goals are dragging me back into redness.
I'll take it.
If you're ready to live life on the golf course,
Polish your driver and put in an offer.